Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. Today I'm making the video on the announcement on opt-out facility. Yes, Institute of Company Secretaries of India has also announced the opt-out facility for the students who are going to sit in December 2020. Let's see what all is in the notification. Do subscribe to my channel if you've not done it yet and follow me on Instagram as well. The link is in the description box below. The announcement states that, as we all know, that next examination will be held in June 2021, for which a separate timetable will be hosted on the website. Till now, there is no timetable available, but very soon the timetable will also be available for June 2021 session of examinations, and they will start from 1st June 2021. Now, this option of opt-out, it's a one-time option to the students to opt out from December 2020 session of examinations due to COVID-19 pandemic and to sit in June 2021 session of examinations. But yes, don't worry, your fees will be carried forward. By carrying forward the credit of examination fee, you can sit in June 2021 examination by opting out from December 2020 session of examinations, and it has been clearly written it's a one-time option to the students to opt out. Moving further, this is the most important point. Third point is very important, that if now which are the students who become eligible for opt out? The students who will have to submit their COVID-19 positive report evidencing that they themselves or their immediate relatives were infected by COVID-19 during the period from 20th November 2020 to 30th December 2020. So basically, only the students who were COVID-19 positive, who were themselves COVID-19 positive, or their immediate relatives were infected by COVID-19 during the period is also specified, like from 20th November 2020 to 30th December 2020, if the student himself or herself or their immediate relatives are infected by COVID-19 or they are COVID positive, they will have to give the report, they will have to submit the report for taking the opt-out option. Application, if any, submitted by the students without attaching the COVID-19 positive report as mentioned above or by citing any other reason shall be summarily rejected without notice. Now, why do you think the institute has come out with the opt-out option? As we all know, COVID-19 is becoming a major hindrance in examinations. So, institute is very clear that only the students who are themselves COVID-19 positive or their immediate relatives are infected with COVID-19 positive, they can opt out, and for that, they will have to submit their report as well. And any student who just puts the application to opt out without submitting the report, without submitting their COVID-19 positive report, or the relatives who were COVID-19 positive, or by citing any other reason, that shall be rejected without notice. The institute will not give you any notice. They will outrightly reject your application. So the candidate himself or their immediate relatives, if infected by COVID-19 positive, are eligible to opt out from December 2020 session of examination and sit in June 2021 session of examination with the carry forward of their examination fee. And for availing this facility, you will have to submit a formal request through an online form, which will be published on a website separately. That will come separately. The last date for submitting the opt-out request is 15th January 2021. So till 15th January 2021, the last date is 15th January 2021, and in the coming time, a formal request form will also be will also be published on the website, but that will come separately. This notification is just regarding the opt-out facility and the eligibility of candidates who can take this facility. So further, the notification states that if any student opts out from December 2020 session of examination, he or she, the enrollment will be cancelled and he will be carried forward to June 2021 examination along with the carry forward of examination fees. And once you take up the facility to opt out, there is no coming back. It will be treated as final. Any request for change or revocation, that will not be entertained under any of the circumstances. And this is just a one-time facility due to COVID-19. So for all the students of December 2020 session, this is a very important announcement regarding the opening of the facility of opt-out option for you all, and the eligibility to opt out, which is again very important, that you have to submit your COVID-19 positive report or the COVID-19 positive report of your immediate relatives. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't leave the channel without subscribing it, liking it, and hitting the bell icon.